Hi, I'm Renee,
And I'm Gravity.
and we wanted to talk a little bit about our new resource, the Teacher's Toolkit for Independent Reading. We're really excited to offer this to you in your classrooms. And so we wanted to talk a little bit today, Gravity, if we think about the history of like the evolution of this project. It's been decades of lots of conversations and lots of trying things out in classrooms like yours. And we were a little hesitant to take our tools and put them in a kit because of the possible like misinterpretation of that.
Totally.
We want it because we completely believe in teachers. We believe that teachers aren't broken, they don't need fixed, they can be trusted to do their work, their job. And so it felt like we wanted to inspire, but we came out of it, right? Because we wanted to inspire teachers, but we didn't want to kind of hand them a manual or hand them a script. So it felt a little weird to kind of put it into like this kit.
Yeah, because I think sometimes people think of like, oh, there's a kit, that there's going to be scripts, there's going to be a sequence, there's going to be trainings of a right way to do it. And that's not at all what we created. I tend to think of it more like an actual toolkit that is out in the world, right? That you would get at a hardware store, or in our case, when we were triathletes, like our bag of all our stuff, or my diaper bag that has all the everything I would need to survive in the world with a toddler, right? So if we think about it in that way, I think the way we sort of made peace with this is the fact it's not what's not in there, but we trust teachers. There's a whole actually section on how to trust yourself as a teacher, that there's a lot of teacher autonomy and decision making involved in using this. But at the same time, we recognize that like our full-time job is to create literacy resources. And yours is probably not. Your full-time job is probably to be teachers, and if you're a third, fourth, and fifth grade teacher, of a lot of subject areas.
A lot. Yeah.
So we have the time to sort of make these resources that then you can make your own and use in the classroom. So the teaching texts are there, but there's no script for exactly how to use them. The look and listen for guides are there, but you're going to adapt it for your particular students. And even the sequence of how you might read and use these tools is going to be totally up to you. So I think really what we're saying is it's a toolkit that is going to be customized by the teacher, yet it still has everything in one place for you, because we recognize you're really busy and we didn't want you to have to spend time doing things that aren't totally necessary. Like that we have tabs and note-taking sheets right there for you.
Yeah.
But you're going to decide what to write on them.
Yeah. And I think it's safe to say that our hope, our vision, is that the tools that we've come up with will inspire you to create your own. And to kind of share with your colleagues, because that's really part of the evolution too, is me showing you a tool I made, you showing me a tool I made, us creating together. And so that collaboration is really it's fun.
Yeah, so we're excited to see these tools in teachers' hands, but also to see like how you use them to have an impact on your students. And every single tool is designed placing you as the decision maker, not us, because we don't know your kids. So we trust you that you're going to use them in a way that gets you and your students super excited and engaged in reading.